some of this sound is still screwy. I can't play these videos on the news thing. This is using the Edge browser or whatever the hell the name of the Microsoft thing is.
There's no other way that
Now
we
listen,
can
this guy's
say it
talking
than the
his
fact that
ass
we are
off.
pretty
You
much
can't
down
hear
a full
shit.
district station. Well over 100 officers, in some cases, depending on how it's counted, 152.
Turn it up to
And
the
then overall
moon, nothing
staffing,
happened.
depending on the count, goes up to 188.
It's just
There are some
garbage.
adjustments there that people are starting to explain. But regardless, it does not change the fact that we are
And
pretty
other
much
ones
down a
are
whole
the same.
district
It's not
station.
just this
We have a
single
huge
video.
portion of our department that is significantly below
If I could
where they
find
should
another
be when it
video,
comes to
I'd
that.
show you the
And
same deal.
so again, that kind of contributes to
I got another piece I wanted to show you. This guy. Matt, can you understand what's still screwed up with the sound? Maybe 10%. Both of these are on the Edge using the Edge browser.
OJ Howard's coming. He tore
He's
his
talking,
Achilles
if that
last year,
makes
but
any
he's coming
sense.
back and he's going to be
There are
healthy.
all of these
They
different
just signed
news
Gio
clips,
Bernard,
sports
who's going to be a
clips,
pass catcher
whatever.
back for them. If this
don't
organization
work.
drafts on this weekend like they have for the past
If
couple
you
of
listen
years,
real close, you
this
can
will be
hear
a
a couple of words real
significantly better
low.
football team. So the fact that they
But
get
it's
AB
garbage.
and he can work in between the hashes
No
with OJ
reason,
Howard coming
no
back,
rhyme or reason
man, you're
for it.
looking at an offense that is going to be, with the offensive line that they have, you're going
It
to
should be running
this will be
normal.
the best offense in the NFL next year. If they stay healthy, this will be the best offense in the NFL.
And it's
Think
not
about
just
this football
this,
team. It is significantly
one.
better than last year. Not a
There's
little
other
bit,
ones on
significantly
here.
better.
I can go on YouTube. Okay, let's see if this will play. See, this is perfect. But see, now I'm using the Chrome browser.
And now, end is near, so I face.
So I don't know if that's the difference. That's the only difference I can see. The speakers are set up. It works on the racing game. Works on other stuff. But I guess Microsoft is a bunch of crap. Then here's another example. This is a This is a Microsoft game, and it's supposed to have some sound. That's an idiot. I'm not answering that. Every time you click, there's a little click when you play a card and stuff. It's not working. See, it's totally silent. Same thing with the chess, but I don't want to start a game to show you. But every time you move a piece, it makes a little sound, click, 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 when you move, when the other guy, and now it doesn't do anything. It's just, silent. So I was wondering if you had a clue what the hell, is it the Edge browser screwed up or what? I don't know. But I'm not using the browser for the Microsoft game. The Hearts game or the racing game, but yet it still belongs to Microsoft. It came out of their store. I don't know if that matters. Whatever. I just want to know if you knew what the hell's going on.